This COOKNANO stainless steel non-stick frying pan set is like a reliable friend in your kitchen. It comes with 3 different sizes. You get an 8-inch pan, a 9.5-inch pan, and an 11-inch pan. This set can handle many cooking tasks, from flipping pancakes to making a quick dinner. These pans are useful. They work on different stovetops, including induction, gas, ceramic, and electric, so most shoppers will find them compatible. The non-stick surface of the COOKNANO stainless steel non-stick frying pan is a game-changer. Food slides off easily, and cleaning up is a breeze. No more worries about food sticking and scratching the bottom of your pans. This feature makes cooking more enjoyable, especially when you are in a hurry. The stainless steel material also adds to the durability of the equipment. It feels solid and well made, not flimsy like some cheaper options a shopper might find. This COOKNANO stainless steel non-stick frying pan set could be a legend in your kitchen. It offers versatility and convenience for everyday cooking. The 3 different sizes mean you can choose the right pan for the job, whether it's a single egg or a family-sized meal. While I can't promise it will cure the common cold like a pharmacy, it will definitely make your time in the kitchen smoother and more efficient. It's a practical compra for any home cook. Pros: stainless steel, induction ready, gas stovetop safe, electric safe, ceramic safe, oven safe. Durable, easy to clean, even heating. Cons: may scratch with metal tools, dishwasher may damage coating, strong detergents can harm it. Uneven heating possible, not ideal for searing, lifespan of coating limited, can release fumes. If overheated, may not be fully non-stick over time. Features: stainless steel, induction ready, gas stovetop okay, electric stovetop okay, ceramic safe, oven safe, dishwasher safe. 3 sizes. This COOKNANO frying pan set has 3 stainless steel pans in 8, 9.5, and 11-inch sizes with a non-stick surface. These pans can be used on all kinds of stovetops, including induction, gas, ceramic, and electric. They are also safe to put in the oven and dishwasher. You get 3 different sizes to help with all your cooking needs. The COOKNANO stainless steel non-stick frying pan set includes 3 pans, 8, 9.5, and 11 inches, that work on all common stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, and ceramic, and are also oven safe. These pans are designed to heat evenly, are easy to clean due to their non-stick surface, and are made with durable stainless steel. However, the non-stick coating can be scratched by metal tools, and the dishwasher or strong cleaners might damage it. While generally providing even heating, some users might experience uneven heating, and these pans are not the best for searing. The non-stick coating has a limited lifespan and can release fumes if it gets too hot, and the non-stick quality may decrease over time.